Bit of a spontaneous trip this one. I last minute decided to go to Coffs Harbour with Brodie to pick up his new car.
Wait a minute, who's Brodie? See, he's one of my mates and he's pretty crazy. He always seems to have some sort of story to tell you.
I spent many hours sitting right here catching fish.
Whether it's true or not, well, that's up to you. Anyway, back to the video.
We have a bit of a scuffed plan. I'm gonna ride my trusty steed to Dan Murpheys parking lot. Gonna meet him there. And we're gonna convoy down to Coffs, pick up the new car, and convoy back up to Queensland.
Now all I had to do was wait for Brodie to finish work, and then we could hit the road.
Am I keen? Is that a real question? Of course. Jeez.
It's huge. The video doesn't do it justice.
It still doesn't feel real.
You haven't even driven it yet.
No, kind of feel like I'm in a monster truck. This is like sitting on the roof of my own car.
The first drive. My camera can't even handle the light.
Holy fuck, God.
The next morning it was time for us to see the new car in daylight. Say goodbye to Ice Cube and the Forester. Pack our things.
In with your new purchase?
Oh yeah.
And send it back to Gold Coast.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high, cannot see, 8 off. Now I got these rappers all breaking up a sweat. Cause every time I get up on the mic, I come correct. And I learned it from the best, always dressing something fresh. Looking for a little dime, big button, nice chest. Yes, they heard I used to rock Guess, but now I'm rocking clothes that ain't in the stores yet. Travel back in time, I'm in a vortex, trying to make it work out, think I need more reps. Used to take a bus, now the board jets. Cause kids got me buzzing like a fucking hornet. They say I got next, tell them that I got now. It's all Disney, boy, my family proud. Make them say L, make them say O. The hoes that tell me yes, the same ones that tell you no. Whoa, I ain't just an average Joe, way above the average flow, boy, my